Hey DFW, my name's Anthony Chara and I'm going to be in town on January 21st teaching an all-day workshop on apartment investing, how to analyze deals, the terminology you need to understand. I'm even going to be giving out my quick analysis software. It's a $179 value. It's yours for free just for getting registered early and joining me on Saturday, January 21st. Check out the details in the email for more information on location and time. Also, I want you to bring your own live deals. I want to actually analyze your live deals in the class on Saturday with my software to show you how to analyze them properly so that you understand the numbers inside and out, upside, backwards, forward, around, about, however you need to do it. So you make sure you get a good deal. And we'll be discussing that on Saturday the 21st. So again, check out the information in the email for location and time, and I'll see you on the 21st.